I never thought a song about making out on a tractor would. I didn't know how freaky you people were. I didn't know y'all were into that kind of thing. But thank y'all for making this one a big one for us too. A shiny little beamer with a rag top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. Dogs roll barking and a wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "Y'all get it." She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, "What you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here, and I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster, and through the woods, out to pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We could go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor." Said we can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house. We can take another ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods, out to pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. You just let me dust off a seat. Put your pretty little arms around me. Here we go, yeah. You can climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on.